Oh. Hi, how are you?
I'm talking about dark go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you and you're in the mood for empathy. It's blood in my pen. Better yet for your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, you pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and your girl in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today ngasi ay Tunisia da layeba ko. Ado amukta taram liru myam so ay so hozi hantak ta khangda ngai ni ba ko after Qatar da thabak tor ka story ni do male do mafam da am phase ba ko. Asi lai che khar mamra anyway choke. Mafam do am phase photo da do na ay chatu ki me am thinge ba bye, see you. This is my feed for today guys. Ado ay thok na ba tor wi me di 4:30 da kumda doine ba ko no case lok tok doine du gi 4:20 da kumage ado ai camera se khar blur chat pa mala. Anyway guys, I am in a hurry or see you guys. I told you yeah I gis da lay wa se la ka jam phase ma ban ju phase du le ri ko Result Ibrahim không thể Yid mong chờ lỡ cái đồng tàu ra hả bạn có chơi na ai bữa lạ và tàu ở tâm này. This is my feed. Okay, let's go and check if anyone is there. Let's go. Here is the Christmas. It's Merry Christmas. Waiting for the crew. Koi chapna doriba mi sing ngai jari ba. I'm very early today. Well, like this. We are heading to the city of Tunisia called City Phajei. The sunset is so pretty. It looks so calm. The Mars. Yes. Oh, very like
de Carthage, mosquée de Carthage et Villa Romaine. Yes.
Oh, look at the place, it's so pretty. I have a YouTube channel.
I will like and subscribe.
Yes, and comment.
And comment also.
Oh, so pretty. We are in Tunisia. Yeah. Well, these are the souvenirs. What's this?
Hey, my friend, come look, magasin shop. 2 minutes.
Welcome. These are the street art shop. Cheers. Hello.
Out of shape?
Wow. So pretty, yeah.
You got scared?
Just a cafe.
Okay, coffee they have, no?
Yeah.
Coffee? Now?
Oh, I can drink coffee anytime.
It's like also desserts.
So no proper food?
I want main.
Main food, Indian
food.
restaurant it is.
Oh, they have. I see pizza picture.
Pizza is also there. Main food.
Oh, they have fish.
They have chicken?
Chicken.
Wow. Oh my god. I'm gonna cry. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. One more thing. We'll go and eat something. I will go and eat something. This place is so nice. We're in the middle of the street. I don't know. Guys, we'll go and eat something. I think this is the one. I think. Is this the one? Guys, I don't believe this. Are we here? I will come down. Sorry.
Thank you. No, that's alright. Thank you.
Sorry.
Oh, me? I just take a pizza.
Pizza, okay.
Easy. I don't think so, right?
Which language? It's not French.
It's French.
Guys, I will show you the place. I'll just go around.
Hi, picture.
Yeah, video.
Yes, no problem.
Hi.
Hi, how are you? Oh, bonjour, ça va, good.
I'll just roam around.
مزيان لكم عندي بطيخ ومعدي
So we have ice cream as well. Queen of Family sida. Then family to bra sida. Go back. The smell is so nice. I got a gift from this.
Coffee and now he went.
No, she's gonna come.
Thank you for the gift.
Chef don't have money, chef.
She want money.
Have no money, only honey.
Try. Orange juice and lemonade is same for them. Yeah, I like Thai food.
Just gonna say.
I love Thailand. I always go to Thailand.
My first destination is Vietnam. Vietnam. I love Vietnam.
I wanna go there on my next trip.
After Vietnam, it's Thailand.
I went there.
Sunrise. Sunrise. Here and there, everywhere.
I gotta do that, I think.
I bought the painting.
I don't know how spicy it is. I know it's spicy.
Very spicy.
Try it, you go ahead.
Thank you.
It's like something. Thank you.
It's good.
You want to try this?
I have the fork and knife. Thank you.
It doesn't taste like
There's no salt.
salt. Is it better?
No, same.
No salt. You find it not salty?
No, it's not salty, even this one.
Blend?
It's bland, yeah. The element.
It's good?
Good.
It's more diabetic meat.
You wanna try?
I don't like shawarma. It's fine, I just said it's bland.
This is
bland.
one shawarma.
It's not blunt, but it's not like Lebanese shawarma. Oh my
I
god.
can't eat spicy.
I took too much.
We're gonna eat like this. Stuffed inside.
Yeah. You can. You can.
It's a mint tea famous here, right?
I need salt.
It's a good thing, so
Can you please ask
Huh?
him to bring the salt?
nobody say anything if I got the lie. But Prash, I'm not gonna say something, but I am. It's never happened to me, Japan.
You're a guy. Okay. Chaba loye duduka thukbe bako.
Yeah.
To game.
I want to take a orange. I'm so curious how it tastes.
It's so bright.
Not even sour. It's horrible.
Yeah, it's not what's the word?
The camels are
I'll show you another
here.
one. Okay, sure. Dal, have you done? One of them are ours. Yeah, he's inside this one.
Oh, look at the painting, guys. The painting is so amazing.
It's nice.
Okay, what is this?
I wish they had prices displayed, you know?
That's so cute. Donut.
This coin is
You want one? Bro, try it.
He bought this one.
I know how it is. I don't really like it.
It's too much sugar.
I bought one of these. Sukra. I got a key.
Bella Ciao, very famous. By the way, I cook there. I'm the chef.
We are going back quietly. Mayam so big no I mic to lately but what? I forgot bro. What's that? My beauty bro. I introduced person to ngam hoja. ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯛꯄ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯎꯠꯂꯛꯀꯦꯀꯣ ꯑꯩ ꯄꯩꯁꯥ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯤꯜꯂꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯍꯣꯔꯦꯟ ꯑꯩ ꯍꯌꯦꯡ ꯑꯌꯨꯛ ꯆꯥꯅꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯣꯔꯤꯌꯣ ꯆꯤꯁ ꯀꯦꯛ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯔꯝꯃꯦꯕ ꯆꯤꯁ ꯀꯦꯛ ꯌꯣꯜꯂꯝꯃꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯑꯣꯔꯤꯌꯣ ꯆꯤꯁ ꯀꯦꯛꯇꯣ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯁꯜꯂꯛꯑꯦ ꯍꯌꯦꯡ ꯑꯌꯨꯛꯀꯤ ꯕ꯭ꯔꯦꯛꯐꯥꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯒꯦꯅ That's it guys ꯌꯥꯝꯗꯦꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯤꯁꯤꯗ Sisi ang Phajei, sisi ang ihati ko. Aina olive oil gumbado, cow gumbado, dahil na So, half ito ba. Ay sisi pam di po ko. Green gumbay ako do, pam do, green gumbay ako do, lihaw da ba. Kangra, kondo. Chimi kondi taake ba eh. Tawa do, ano my god. Aduna matangsta elosinserege like to biramo amasung comment biramo nungshi bawahay habiramo so that I can make a lot of videos nogi nungsi bawahay nogi appreciation mayam duna ay highly motivate tawraga ay warasu halaaga su warasu blog namhaningi adu mayam sa support dum tawbiyo mayam support I need your support, guys. I okay abuse for surgery mo ay room da abuse. Phajei bang thok sira. Phajei. Oh. Sing ulit ito. Sing samudra. Ay siya kang bra. Asi si ti maming liya. ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯝꯃꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩ ꯃꯤꯡꯒꯨꯝꯕꯁꯦ ꯀꯥꯎꯋꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯃꯤꯡꯒꯨꯝꯕꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯀꯥꯎꯒꯜꯂꯦꯕ ꯑꯩ ꯗꯣꯛꯇꯔ ꯌꯦꯡꯊꯣꯛꯁꯤꯔ ꯈꯪꯗꯦ after before and after glasses guys 그럼 말 더는 거 이 파르디 아야 보세요 보세요 이게 진짜 너무 마이 갓 시부시로 만들어 Also guys, my recent lip combo ni ko sini se sisina tart ki liquid lip juicy Hyba juicy di oide Hyba adımıyla middle lipsi ay lamda am gele ay kapling ni ko 잠시만요. 기회는 칼라보가 지금 더 누드가 사냐? 얘들도가 살랑 더 비고 텐션 뭐 하는 거야? 사냐 지금 더 누드가 사이드 사이드 더 비고 얘는 이거 야 하기 내가 삼키는 미장으로 우르디 난 뭐 다 사니 봐. 이거 에이 너는 뭐 다 사는데 봐. 안 봐. 아이고 나 누나 이거 팥 자료가 튀어나오면 넣어야지 너는 빨비로 그리고 합전비로 이게 어떤 레이트레이 어친 이와양 안 살로이 이 마이크로폰 레이게 guys 이제 타박 찔레바 마이크로폰 레이베도 모두 버선그레바 플라이트 스탠바이 레이가 turn around 떠오르고 목 스탠바이 레이버기 도 pull out 떠오르고 position Begini guys, guys. So, okay, and then here, and then lipstick. I'm gonna use it. See, LA girly, red organ. Rồi guys, I makeup 진짜 로이가 버스 하크래 그리고 이 드레스 진짜 룩이게 So guys, 이것이 이 makeup 로이 preserving beauty ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯇꯥꯡ ꯁ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗ ꯀꯥꯏꯅꯅꯕ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯖꯔꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯩ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯑꯦꯀꯣ ꯄꯨꯡ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯠ 10 ꯈꯛꯇꯪ ꯉꯥꯏꯔꯦꯕ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯁꯝꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ simple Okay guys